Today, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. "17 PSI. Well, specifically, you might notice we're not in our truck camper. We're in our Dodge Durango that I custom modified. It's a little big, it's awesome, and it's a rock crawler. We're also listing it for sale. So this is kind of a final run, and we're out here in Moab, about to start Schaefer's Trail for a relaxing scenic view. That said, we're gonna bring you guys along with us. Enjoy the show. So here's where the real fun begins. We're hitting dirt road now. Airing down the tires is all about getting better traction and making the ride a bit smoother on this bumpy road. Just when you think we've seen all the desert has to offer, we come across the Potash evaporation ponds. That's where potash is produced, the kind of salt that's used all over the world. Honestly, it's a bit of a surreal sight. These intense blue and green pools against the red rocks, it's all a part of the mining process. But from up here, it's like a piece of modern art. Check out these rock formations as we drive by. Their presence makes us reflect on how the landscape has been shaped over the millennia. These rocks tell a story of erosion, weathering, and geological shifts, creating a stunning natural gallery that we're lucky to pass through. So I know I said we're doing Schaefer Trail, but I really should have said Potash to Schaefer Trail. This is a fun trail of ours. We bring all of our new friends that are new to four-wheeling. This is kind of that introductory trail just to get them used to putting things in four-wheel drive, line choice, etc. Means a lot to us. We come out here quite often, so it's a lot of fun, very scenic, and at the end of the day, it's one of those trails, one of those locations that we just keep coming back to. This trail is relatively smooth for us today, but sometimes the erosion gets pretty bad, so keep an eye on the road, choose your line carefully, and sometimes just go slow and steady. Now, we're coming up to Thelma and Louise Point. It's one of the best views around here. We made it to the point. What do you think? For us, this is what it's all about. Getting out here, finding these spots, and just soaking it all in. So every bit of this trip, from airing down the tires to navigating the dirt roads, it's a part of our adventure. All right, so we're just about to get off the end of Potash Trail and start Schaefer Trail. There's this nice big overlook and pull off that we always like to hit. I'd say that this trail, if you have any stock 4x4 with high ground clearance, pickup truck, SUV, it's going to be easy to go through this trail. But today it's starting to rain a little bit, so we're going to make a smart decision. As we start going down Schaefer Trail, you start getting into washes. Washes and rain in the desert are never a good combination. You could always get flash flooding, so we're actually going to make the call to turn around, head back down Potash into Moab. That's going to be pretty much it for the day. Hope you all enjoyed it. Hope you all enjoyed riding along with us. Love this truck. We're going to miss it. Hate to see it go, but the funds of this is going to fund our next build and all our future adventures. So looking forward to where we head to next.